In this video, we're diving into the Stellar Lite Fundednext challenge, a new trading account option for those aiming to pass a prop trading challenge with Fundednext. Here's what you need to know about the rules and requirements for this account type, account size, and fees. The Stellar Lite account sizes range from $5,000 to $100,000, with fees starting at $32 and going up to $399, depending on the account size. Drawdown limits. The challenge has a maximum daily drawdown of 4% and an overall maximum drawdown of 8% of the initial account balance. This means your account balance can't drop below 92% of the initial amount at any time. Minimum trading days. You're required to trade on at least 5 separate days. These don't have to be consecutive, which provides some flexibility and is easier to manage compared to stricter prop firms. Copy trading restrictions. Fundednext allows copy trading, but only with your own accounts or through Fundednext. Copying trades from other people's accounts, even those of relatives or friends, is strictly prohibited. IP and device consistency. To ensure security, Fundednext recommends using a single device with a unique IP address. VPN and VPS services are allowed, but only if they are paid services with dedicated IPs. Expert advisors and indicators. You're allowed to use expert advisors, EAs, and indicators to help with your trades, as long as they are customized to your trading style and account parameters. Prohibited strategies. Fundednext strictly prohibits any form of cheating or exploitation of the platform. Traders must follow the terms of service closely to avoid any unintended consequences. Following these rules closely will improve your chances of succeeding in the Stellar Lite Challenge with Fundednext. If you're interested in prop trading with more flexibility, this could be a good option, but remember to review the guidelines thoroughly.